Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you have not done that yet, make sure you do also click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and let's see what market will give us for the week. Also guys, if you are yet to follow the Telegram channel, I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section, so follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. Let's start with our trend on our Meta, which is our for Facebook. This movement started 2022, right? This is our movement, and ever since this movement started 2022, which is around December 2022, we've been having a massive bullish move. I mean, you can see from a level of $150 per share, which around 2022, to $738 per share. So that is an incredible movement. So markets give us that incredible movement. Amazing movement, right? Overall trend is actually on our uptrend. But let's see what market is currently doing right now. Market is currently at this demand zone, rejecting from here multiple times. So this is our high, our higher low. Here is also the higher high. Here comes the higher low. This is our higher high. Market has given us this higher low. Our next movement on Meta would be a new higher high. So for the swing traders, you would want to hop in for the buy. So we are heading straight to a level of 790, even possibly it's a level of 800. So in 3 months time, we should probably be trading at a level of 790 or even above it. It depends on how markets will move for the week and for months to come. Now let's start with our current trend. What market is currently doing? Market has rejected from this support level multiple times. Market eventually pushed up. We had this high and low. Now market has given us this high. This is a pullback going to play out. Once your pullback plays out finish, up in again for the new high. So above all, this week we should be targeting 750 on our Meta stock. We should target to hit a level of 750 for the week on our Meta stock. More updates will be covered in the Telegram channel. So follow the Telegram channel. You'll find a link in the comment section.